Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change DNS in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the home page of Squarespace where you want to go and log into your account, after which you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here. So under the dashboard, we can find all the websites we can access that we have and own and our domains and so on. So basically guys, as you can see right here on the official support page of Squarespace, we can see how to access our Squarespace managed domain DNS settings and change them. As you can see here are the steps. The first thing we need to do is open up the domains dashboard. So we can do so right here in the main page. By at the top of the screen next to the dashboard, we can see the domains option. So you want to click on domains. After opening up domains guys, this is now going to open up your domains menu where you can see that I currently do not have any domains, but any domains that you have and own are going to appear right here. So as you can see here, we now going to want to find the domain name, and you want to go ahead and find the domain you want to change the DNS settings for. So click the domain name, and after clicking on that domain name, it's going to open a menu, and one of the options in the menu are going to be called the DNS settings. You want to go ahead and open up those settings, and this is where you can get started changing all the settings for your domains that you own and adding what you will like. So yeah, basically guys, that's all you have to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.